Today I will introduce it to you side hole drilling machine. Side hole drilling machine with dual spindles. Used for 3-in-1 drilling, wood cutting hole, line hole, slot, etc. Customized motion control system, low failure rate, easy operation. Taiwan linear guide, strong and durable, anti-deformation. Oblique pressure cylinder, stable pressuring, precise drilling. Easy to install, no slip plate, enhanced stability. Double servo drive motor, high power, stable operation, high production efficiency. Let me show you the final result. Contact Bettn to know more.